Hello learner, my name is Teacher Jonathan. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. In our lesson for today in grade 4 mathematics activities, we are dealing with whole numbers. And today we are working on multiples of numbers up to 100. In our previous lesson, we embarked on multiples of numbers up to 100 but with multiples of 1 up to 5. Today we are working with multiples up from 6 to 10. From 6 to 10. And just to remind ourselves, in our pairs, can you remind ourselves what did we say multiples are? Yes, John, multiples are products of two numbers. A number, when it is multiplied by another one, we get multiples. That was correct. And you, Jen, can you just give me two multiples of 4 multiplied by 1 and 4 multiplied by 2? And we got it. 4 multiple 4 and 1 is 4. 4 and 2 is 8. So we have two multiples of 4. We have 4, we have 8, we have what else? 4, we have 8, we have 12, we have 16, and so on. So for today, we have multiples of numbers from 6 up to 10. And for a start, in our groups, we have only two groups, group 1 and group 2. We have group 1 and group 2. And in our groups, I would request this. How many boys do we have? How many girls do we have? In Jen's group, we have number of boys and number of girls. So we have how many boys, Jen, in your group? Yes, Jen's group has 3 boys. How many girls do you have, Jen? You have 5 girls. So that is to make a total of 8 learners in group 1. And in group 2, how many are we in group 2? We have 3 boys. That is correct. From John, we have 3 boys. And how many girls do we have? We have 4 girls to make a total of 7 learners in that group. So in group 1, we have 3 boys and 4 girls to make it, and 5 girls to make it 8. In group 2, 3 boys and 4 girls to make it 7. Now, in our groups now, I would want us we take 8 as the first group and 7 for the other one. So in 8, just multiply it with the following numbers. You can multiply it with 6. The same 8, you can multiply it with 7. The same 8, multiply it with 8. The same 8, multiply it with 9. The same 8, multiply it with 10. Learners, and for us to do this, today I've come with counters. We have so many counters for us to work with. And in our counters, in our groups, we are told we have group 1 has 8 learners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make sure every group has 8. Group 1 has 8. So we are told how many groups? 8 groups. Group 1 has 8 learners. We multiply it by 6. So we have 6 groups of 8 each. This is one group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fifth group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sixth group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seventh group of 8. And the last group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So those are the 6 groups of 8 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 groups of we have 88 learners in a 6 group. So we have how many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to remove those 2 because we need only 6 groups of 8 each. So how many counters do we have all together? So we join all these together and we count. We join all these together and we count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So the groups of 8 in 6 groups, we have a total of 48. 48. So you do the same using the counters, groups of 8, but we have 7 groups, and you will get what? What have you got in your groups? 56. The same, you work with 8 groups in 8 counters each. What have you got from you, Victoria? 64. The other group, what have you got? From James, you got 72. And the final group is group of Tom. Tom, what have you got for the last one? It's 80. Class, you will notice that in our groups of 8 learners each, but we have multiplied it with 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we've got different multiples. So these are multiples of 8 from 6 to 10. Now, I have a task for us to do. Remember, we said also in the second group of 7, that is group 2, we take 7 and then we multiply it by 6. 7, we multiply it by 7. 7, we multiply it by 8. 7, we multiply it by 9. 7, we multiply it by 10. And in our groups, Victoria, what have you got? This is 42. The second one from you, John, this is 49. The third one from Tom, this is 56. The fourth one from Victor, this is 63. And the last one from Wangari, which is 70. So, class, you've noticed that multiples of number 8 multiplied with different numbers are here. Multiples of 7 multiplied with different numbers are here. And that is how we get the product. So, for our lesson for today, I have a task that I would want us to accomplish. A task for us to accomplish kindly. What are the multiples of? Look for the multiples of 9. We have not looked at 9. Remember, we are from 6 to 10. Multiples of 9. Can you check for multiples of 9? And this 9 now you multiply it with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Multiples of 10. Remember, you are multiplying them with 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the last one is multiples of 6. You multiply it from 6 multiplied by 6, 6 by 7, 6 by 8, 6 by 9, 6 by 10. This is the task that I would like us to do. Class, as we wind up our lesson, remember when you go home, kindly do more practice on multiples of numbers. Do more practice on multiples of numbers. You can request your parents and your siblings to assist you come up with numbers which you can multiply them with these multiples from 6 to 7. Have a wonderful time.